Ltd, and today it's all about chickpeas or garbanzo beans. Chickpeas are so nutritious and they are great for you. If you love chickpeas as much as I do, you can look over here and see another recipe I did, chickpea and lentil roti. It is so good. Or you can try the other one here, hummus. Delish. But today we're making an international dish. We'll be making Mediterranean chickpea salad. However, we'll be making it BAJAN style. So let's go over the ingredients. We have 400 grams of chickpeas or garbanzo beans. Now you can either cook them yourself or buy them from the can, which are already pre-cooked. 400 grams, just give them a nice wash first. Then we have half of a medium-sized sweet pepper green. We're gonna chop it not too fine because we want to be able to taste that crunch, but we don't want it to be too big either, so we're gonna just chop it roughly. And we'll also do the same thing for the yellow sweet pepper. We're gonna chop them roughly as well. We also have half of a small white onion chopped. And all BAJANs love parsley, so a bunch of parsley chopped and some mint leaves to bring that freshness. We have one medium-sized cucumber. Now I would have left some of the skin on. Remember, the best part of any fruit or vegetable is directly under the skin. So we would remove some of the skin just for aesthetic value. But we have one medium-sized cucumber chopped. We have 3 small tomatoes, which we also chop bite-size. And it's avocado season, so as long as you can get avocados, you need to use them. But if you can't have it, you can leave this out. But we have avocados at this time, so we're going to put some in. We have 1/2 of an avocado, and the way you can tell is by feeling right under the avocado to see if it is nice and soft. If it is ready to eat. Also chopped bite-size. And olives. This helps to make the salad more Mediterranean. So we have about 10 olives, which we would have chopped in half and then chopped in half again into quarters. And to give a little panache, we have some feta cheese, which we will crumble on top of our salad. And we will be making an amazing homemade dressing. We have 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, which we would have squeezed, so it's freshly squeezed lime juice. We have 2 tablespoons of virgin olive oil, a dash of salt and pepper to taste, which is about 1/4 teaspoon, and 1.5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Once you have gathered all of your ingredients together, you call this a mise en place. One step, just put them all together. So I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to put everything together. Then we'll set it aside and I'll make our dressing. The last thing to add is avocado. Remember, avocado is pretty soft, so we don't want it to get all mushy. So the last thing we're going to add is avocado, and we're going to gently stir it in like that. Gently. Then we're going to set it aside, and we're going to make our dressing. Now it's time to mix our dressing. So we're going to add our apple cider vinegar. Next, we'll add our lime juice. This helps to bring the acidity. And we're going to add our extra virgin olive oil. We'll continue with all these other ingredients to make this amazing dressing. We have our salt and pepper to taste. We want to make sure we get it all in there. And of course, our honey. The honey will bring the sweetness. It's going to make it a little thick also. If you want your honey to mix well, maybe you can put it in the microwave for about
5 to 10 seconds, and once you do that first, it will mix easier. But I just put the honey straight in because I'm going to use the whisk, a mini whisk at the end, to mix it all together. Now add it to our salad.
Our chickpea salad, BAJAN style, is done, and it looks good. It smells great. I know it's going to taste amazing. You're seeing the beautiful colors, the reds, the greens, the yellow, and I'm getting a whiff of the olive. Believe it or not, I can just smell the olive, and I can smell the sweet mint coming. It is going to taste amazing. This is perfect for lunch or dinner. And you can even have just a salad and a protein and forget about the starch, because the chickpeas will give you a nice starchy feel. It's time to taste. Let's get a nice healthy spoonful. I want to get everything. Now it's time to taste. Chickpea salad, BAJAN style. So good. So many flavors and textures going on all at once. It's salty and it's sweet. It's soft and it's hard, and everything just works harmoniously. So delicious. Mediterranean chickpea salad, BAJAN style. Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this salad recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other salads, and once you have watched them all, just click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.